Alright, so let me show you this website, and if you choose this question, you get paid $5, $15, this one $20. Hey friends, so I find this very interesting. Every question that you're going to answer on this platform is going to make you earn money, and the very good thing about this is that I'm going to show you these 8 platforms that are really going to get you paid just by answering different questions, and these questions are very simple. I'm pretty sure that everybody can answer these questions and get money. And the good thing about this is that you can make up to $1,000 in just 1 month just by answering very simple questions on this platform. So right now, let's dive in and see how you can make money on these platforms just by answering very simple questions. Alright, so our very first website is called Fortun, and if you're going to answer at least 10 questions on this platform, you can make up to $25 per hour. And the very good thing about this is that it's very simple to join on this platform. All you want to do right now, you have to go to this platform, then you can provide your email and password. Right after that, you can start making money on this platform. And all these questions that you are going to find on these platforms is all about health issues, is all about technology, relationship advice. So if you're really good about that, and if you think you're interested in such topics, you may want to go ahead and start making money just by answering very simple questions about very known things in our society. So all you want to do right now, you have to go ahead and start making money on this platform. This is a very trusted platform, and all you need is internet connection, and you can start making money on this platform. Alright, so this is our next website, and this is very easy to use. All you want to do right now, you have to come down here and you have to click answer questions. And on this website, you'll be asked about different companies. So you have to click here to see if there is any company that you know. And as you can see right here, there are too many companies. As you can see here, Adobe, Airbnb, BMW, and Apple. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose Apple because I know a lot about Apple companies. So every time that I answer questions about Apple, I earn money on this platform. So all you want to do, if you're interested about all these companies, you may want to go ahead and start answering all these questions, which is a very simple and very easy questions. So all you want to do is for you to go to this website, which is called HelpAll, and you can start making money just by doing that. So this one is very trusted, and a lot of people are making decent amount of money just by answering questions on this platform. Alright, so let me show you this website, and if you choose this question, you get paid $5, $15, this one $20. And the most interesting thing about this website is that you can make up to $7,500 on this website a month. And all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, then you have to click this place which is written as click here to apply. Then you can start making money just by answering questions about studies. It can be about mathematics, it can be about biology. So this website is called StudyPool and is among the most trusted platform that I can recommend. You really have to go ahead and start making money just by answering questions on this platform. All these questions are available on this platform are very simple, and I'm pretty sure that if you're really good at mathematics, if you're really good about biology, too many studies, you may want to go ahead and start making money just by answering questions on this platform. Alright, so this website that I'm coming up with right now is very interesting because you get to choose how much you want to get paid on this platform, and it can range anywhere around $1 up to $10. So you can get $1 up to $10 per 1 minute just by answering questions about entrepreneurship, but also about different products that you may have experience with. So if you think you're really good at answering questions, which are very simple and easy, all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called clarity.fm, and right after joining on this platform, you can start receiving this task, and every time that you perform this task, you can get paid either $1 up to $10. It depends on how many questions that you're willing to answer within 1 minute. So you may want to go ahead right now and join on this platform and start making money. Have you ever heard about this website which is called Wiggy? Right after joining on this website, you can start earning rewards right after answering questions on the platform. And all these questions are going to be very simple questions. Can be about health, about education, about technology. So once you become expert on this platform can open more doors for you, more opportunities for you to make more money just by answering questions on the platform. So I'd encourage, if you have this talent of answering questions and you think you have extra time, you just have to go to this website and see how far you can go just by answering these questions on this website. So you have to go to Wiggy, then you have to sign up and start making money just by answering questions on the platform. Alright, so our last platform is called Esanda, and this website is going to pay you $10 up to $25 per hour on given task. What you want to do right now, you have to go on this platform and you have to join. And the good thing about this platform is that you can see here, this platform is trusted by big brands like PayPal, Adobe, and too many big brands. And I've seen people making up to $500 a month, $600 a month. So you can try your chance and see how much you're gonna make just after joining on this platform. Hey, so I took my time doing research on which websites are really paying, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube. They say that you can get paid just by answering questions, but when you go forward and try out this website, they're really not gonna pay you. So before recording this video, I had to make sure that this website can really give you money, can really pay you at least $500 a month. So if you really want to make money, you just have to go ahead and join on this website right now, because there are a lot of people who are watching video like this, but they never try to go ahead and join on this website and see for themselves on how much they can really make just by joining on these platforms. So I did encourage, if you really want to make money and if you really want to change the current situation that you are in right now, I think the best way is for you to go ahead and try on these websites, because most of these websites are available to many places. So I think you're just gonna go ahead and try making money just by answering questions through these websites that are mentioned in this video. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.